Alright, so now that we got the VLine installed, we're going to go ahead and set it all up. So I have added the CarPlay app here, but just to show you, you'll tap on the gray plus, and then you'll see Apple CarPlay here under plugins. This will be the apps if you download the Google App Store. It's got some of our stuff in here, as well as shortcuts. Now if you wanted to change the EQ on this radio, you'll need to add that factory UI shortcut. When you tap that, you get back in here, and then from there you can go into the actual settings and change whatever you need to. And then in order to go back, we're going to hit audio. We will need to exit the aux source and go back into it. Then the VLine will flip back over. From here, we're going to go ahead and set up the microphone. So we're going to turn the volume up. And we're going to go in here and, this is the 3 horizontal lines. Go to settings, go to the very bottom, and click auto down here. So once you're here, it says to turn the volume to around 25, which is where we have it at this point. We're going to go ahead and hit adjust. And so we need to turn it down a little bit. And as you can see, it went through and now it's done. So it's automatically set the mic gain where it needs to be for Apple CarPlay phone calls. And from here you can add whatever apps you'd like to. Also, if you'd like to update the unit, we can go ahead and show you that. So that'll be over here at settings. Then we'll go to the very bottom. And then system. And then right here is VLine system updates. And we're on the most current, but we'll check for updates here. And it's saying to connect to Wi-Fi. That's because we have the wireless CarPlay connected, so it's not connected to Wi-Fi at this point. But it is fully up to date. And as mentioned earlier, with the Google Play Store, you can download that here under Install G-Apps. I'm going to give you the warning. We're not going to do that at this time, though. And that's how you use it, as well as the buttons down here. So this knob, if you rotate it, it'll move you around in a circle around the screen. We have the delete button, so if I were to open something up, delete is the back button. So I'll tap that, it'll bring me back. If I go to like the second page and I hit info, or if I go into here, it'll bring me back to the home screen. And so those are the buttons that we're using right now on this radio. Right, so we're going to be going over CarPlay and Android Auto on this vehicle. So if you open up CarPlay, we've got it all paired up so you can tap the app. From here you can navigate wherever you want. So currently we have Spotify playing here. Look at GPS.
Racetrack.
Alright, and then to exit CarPlay, click on the GROM app there, it'll bring you back to here, the CarPlay settings, and you can change those in here as you wish. A little bit of Android Auto. Here you can navigate wherever you like.